stop for a second. I don't think Mama's feeling good.
Oh, I don't feel good.
Are you okay? You think we need to call for some help?
Call help.
Alright, we're gonna call an ambulance right now.
I don't feel good. I just feel like weak.
She'll be fine. She was just walking down the street and
Weak.
yes, dizzy, and she needed to sit down, and the next thing you know, she just couldn't breathe hardly, and I just felt it best to call the ambulance and get help immediately.
How long has this been going on?
Just a couple minutes.
Just a couple minutes.
She's gonna be okay.
She's gonna be fine.
We're going to take really good care of her.
We'll meet you at the hospital. We'll call them there, the girls and I. Alrighty.
I'm going to put this in your nose here, okay? There's that 99 on the oxygen.
What do you guys got?
All right, we got a 23-year-old female. The patient's complaining of car shows, and says she's been weak. It happened when she was walking with kids.
You need labs, nurse?
Yes. We've got critical test results back. Her ranch is at a critical low level. We must infuse.
Go to the pharmacy and get 33 ounces of ranch.
Yes, sir. Need some ranch stat.
Oh! There you go.
Thank you.
They didn't even got my all blue M&Ms that I asked for on set.
We're gonna make you better. When's the last time you had any Clisso's ranch?
Oh, no.
Last night with my pizza.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get this started for you. Hold this for just 1 second,
Yes.
please. Okay, go ahead and get a line and start that for me there.
Sir.
Ma'am, how are you feeling with the ranch?
I'm feeling better.
Awesome.
And her pulse is coming back down.
I'm feeling better.
You look great.
Hi, girls.
Your mommy's fine.
Want to come see her?
Another life saved thanks to GW Clisso.
Squeeze that ranch.
More ranch.
More
Chef
ranch.
Clisso, please.
Yes, sir. Paging Chef Clisso.
Yes, ma'am. This won't ever happen again if you'll eat a hearty meal of chicken tenders and GW Clisso's ranch.
At least 3 times a week.
And how are you?
I'm feeling much better. Thank you so much.
I was very concerned when they told me you came in and told me what was going to happen to you. Don't scare us like this again, okay?
I just need more ranch for my pizza.
You know what happens is everybody gets so busy they forget to buy it and take it home. They get so busy in their lives. It's not a good thing. So, you know, you stop by and we'll make sure you got plenty. And take great care. That's you better. And don't let this happen to you.
Thank you.